Welcome to Task 1. In Task 1, you are going to learn to copy an object, and the copy will then belong to you and you can modify it. And you modify it by giving the object a new model name. So for example, if I copy this object and using the yellow duplicate cube in the Object Properties box and move that shrub object forward, you'll be able to see that now that shrub belongs to Margaret. That's my shrub. If you want to get rid of that shrub, you can delete it using the X. You are not able to delete someone else's. Now that I have my own shrub, I am able to change its name, and so I changed the model name to Shrub 03. I can also make it identified as my shrub. And you'll note there are no actions yet on any of the objects. This is mine. Now it's a different shrub. And when I mouse over this shrub, it says my shrub.